Okay, without further ado, I know that we are very excited and that Patrick is very excited to see you as well too. So let us now get into the official program with respect to the swearing in, the district swearing in. So would you please give a warm round of applause and a welcome to the next Assembly member from Assembly District 26, Assembly Member Patrick Ahrens.
Yes, there you go.
Patrick, I really want you to take this in. For those of you who know and who have run campaigns, it is difficult work. When you're in the trenches, and there are many times in which all of you have experienced this as well, questioning yourselves, questioning, am I right for the job? Am I capable? Can I survive this? Am I doing the right thing? That gut check. But again, Patrick, everyone here, we are all invested in your success. And we are going to hold you accountable to continue. Judy, you know that, right? That's right. We're all part of this Spaghettianza family.
There's a lot of people here. Hi, Judy. I'm at a loss of words, which, as many of you know, doesn't happen to me. I want to say thank you everyone for being here today. This moment is not just mine, but it is all of yours. It's every one of you who knocked on the over 63,000 doors that we knocked on this campaign. It's our astounding campaign staff and Ahrens intern army. If you're here, can you please stand and be recognized, everyone? Thank you. Thank you. I didn't want to talk for too long, but I just wanted to say how grateful I am to all of you for being here, for all of you who have been on this journey, whether I've known you my whole life or whether I met you along the campaign trail. This was an amazing journey that we were on, and it started long before I had any title to my name. It started when I, as many of you know, grew up in abject poverty with my family, and I had so many people, many of whom are in this room, who believed in me, who believed that where you started in your life did not define where you will end up, and who believed in the promise of an education. And I want to thank all of the educators, the administrators, the staff who helped along that journey and who've helped tens of thousands of students who are the first in their families to go to college like mine realize their full potential and their dreams. Thank you. Thank you so much. I know I have big shoes to fill. What size are you? And I know that I stand on your shoulders, Assemblymember Evan Lowe. That's probably why your shoulders are so broad, because I'm standing on them to reach this milestone. And I first met Evan when I was homeless and housing insecure, and he saw something in me that I didn't see myself, and he's done that for so many people. When the cameras go away and when the parties are over, he is the one that taught me to continue fighting for people at home, no matter where they came from, no matter how they ended up calling our office to help each and every constituent, of which we've helped over 30,000 people get unemployment assistance over the 10 years that he's been in office. You are a true mentor and a friend, and I want to thank you again, Evan. There's a lot of work to do in the state of California, and I'm going to be focusing a lot of my work on anti-poverty issues. As you all know, we need to focus on uplifting other people and helping and constantly asking that urgent question of who's not at the table when we're making these decisions, and what are we doing for other people who don't have the blessings that we have in the state capitol. And the reality is that we can't thrive in Silicon Valley if our nurses and our teachers and our first responders are not able to live in the communities that they serve. If that's happening, we can't thrive if we're leaving them behind. We're failing. We're failing if so many students who are going to our amazing unified school districts are homeless. We're failing. And we're failing every time the single mother or father has to choose between rent or groceries just to make it to the end of the month. We're failing. And I'm so grateful that you all are here, that you bought into this new idea of doing politics and policy differently, that brings everyone together to solve problems. And we built such a broad coalition around focusing on issues and the root causes of them. That is what Evan has taught me. That is what the amazing people that I met along this campaign has taught me, and why so much of the legislation that I'll be introducing, the key to so much success that has happened in this valley and what will continue to happen is the community colleges. So thank you to all the community college representatives that are here. So we've got work to do. We're just getting started in all of the work that we have. So much of the campaign and what we talked about that resonated to so many people on those doors and those phone calls was talking about the issues that are facing everyday Californians here in Silicon Valley. I would be remiss if I didn't acknowledge, as many of you know, my twin brother passed away a few years ago, and I've been thinking a lot about him, and I'm really, really blessed to have my sister and my niece and nephew here in the audience, coming from Seattle. Kristen, Penny, and Clark, thank you. We will build a better future for these two kids and for everyone else. And we're going to do it together, and we're going to do it with a boundless optimism and joy. And we're going to focus, as Rod Dearden Sr. said, the change and the good that we can make, and not focus on the problems. Politics has too much anger in them. I do not subscribe to that, and we will build a broad coalition to tackle these issues by focusing on the joy of convening and policy making and bringing people together. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.